Let's solve this together. It says x plus 3 raised to the power of 4 is equal to 81. We're going to solve for the values of x in this question, okay? Now, first things first, let me establish something before we move on. If you look at here, the highest power of x will be 4. If the highest power of x is 4, it means that x has 4 answers, okay? So let me establish, let's go ahead and solve this. Now, we're going to have x plus 3 raised to the power of 4 minus 81 to be equal to 0. Now, 81 is equal to 3 to the power of 4. So we have x minus 3 raised to the power of 4, sorry, x plus 3 raised to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 0, okay? Now we can say, let's establish a raised to the power m, all raised to the power of n, is equal to a raised to the power m multiplied by n, okay? So we can go ahead and factor out 2 from the powers. So we can say that x plus 3 rather, squared raised to the power of 2 minus 3 squared raised to the power of 2 is equal to 0, okay? Now, from here we can say that this is difference of 2 squares. So we have a 10 squared and another 10 squared. And the law states that we have a squared minus b squared, for example, it's equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Applying the same law here, we're going to have x plus 3 squared, okay, plus 3 squared multiplied by x plus 3 squared minus 3 squared to be equal to 0, okay, from the rest of 2 squares. Now you can now say that when the product of things is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either that x plus 3 squared plus 3 squared is equal to 0, okay? Then this follows the law of sum of 2 squares. And what does the law of sum of 2 squares state? It states that when we have a squared plus b squared, it's equal to a plus bi multiplied by a minus bi. Okay, applying this law here, we're going to have x as a, x plus 3 as a, okay? So we have x plus 3, then plus bi, which is plus 3i, multiplied by x plus 3 minus 3i to be equal to 0, okay? Now from here, again, we have that the product of distance is equal to 0, okay? So we're seeing that this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. So we say, so it's either that x plus 3 plus 3i is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to minus 3 minus 3i, or x plus 3 minus 3i is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to 3i minus 3, okay? Now for the second condition, we have x plus 3 squared, okay, minus 3 squared is equal to 0. From here, we now have, again, using the difference of 2 squares, we would have x plus 3 minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3 plus 3 to be equal to 0. From here, we now have that x is equal to 0 or, okay, so because we have x plus 0 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 0, or we have x plus 6 is equal to 0, which implies that x is equal to negative 6, okay? And this becomes the final answer for x in this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.